The Indian Army is all set for the Republic Day parade on Kartavya Path, and this time we see 6 different contingents from the Indian Army, and these participants, these officers who are participating and leading these contingents are joined by us. Let's talk to them. A very warm welcome on India Today. Tell us what is special this time when you will be walking on Kartavya Path.
For anyone who is been given this opportunity, every moment is special to step onto the Kartavya Path where everyone from the nation is watching you, not just national, international media, internationally people are also watching you. It is a very special moment and I feel very humbled and very empowered to be given such an opportunity.
Only 6 different units have got this chance. Garhwal Rifle happens to be one of them. How it feels to represent your regiment, your unit, and the area you come from when you walk on.
I mean, it's already an honor to represent my unit, my regiment at this national level, and marching on this Kartavya Path, I really feel proud. And for this opportunity, we are very honored to Indian Army. And as Sir said, only like after 4 to 5 years we get a chance to march there. So this time Garhwal Rifle is marching, so I feel very proud.
And if I may ask you, it takes a lot of hard work, especially in the Delhi winters. You wake up at 4 o'clock, you go to Kartavya Path, you march every day and you spend 6 to 7 hours. So what keeps you going?
So as Lieutenant Rohit brought out, that it's the honor that comes with it, the privilege of being amongst the thousand. If you do the maths of ever since this ceremony started, so you'll barely find there are 1,000 people who got this opportunity. So that motivation for us as officers and for troops of being in a creamy lot of getting an opportunity to represent your regiment, your region, and so that is what keeps us going in all the challenges.
Absolutely right. So it's indeed an honor to be a part of this parade. But we see the other contingents from other services also, the Indian Navy, the Indian Air Force, and there's a lot of competition among the services because, at the end of the parade, there are announcements regarding the best contingent. So how do you feel that you are the best among all?
I am Captain Bharat Ravindra Bhardwaj. I am from 19th Battalion Brigade of the Guards. So rather than focusing upon the competition with different services, the main focus of our regiment was that there are many boys in my contingent whose fathers were in Guards regiment, marched on Kartavya Path. So these boys had dreams. There are Agniveers also, there are normal soldiers also. So these boys had dreams to march on the footsteps of their fathers. So that was my motivation and aim so that I can make their goal fulfill. And apart for regarding the competition, the hard work that the boys have put in, it's tremendous. So I have confidence in them that in turns makes our contingent better than the others.
Certainly, this is how they are taking the legacy ahead. If I may ask you, there are many young officers, young personnels, even the Agniveers are there. So how do you train them or how do you march together? How's the Josh or spirit?
See, training is, if you see the discipline or everything of the army depends on drill. So the training part is already when we do our basic training, we have been taught drill. The main part here comes is the coordination of 150 individuals. So we started our practice from October onwards. So this long period makes us as a contingent.
So there are many Agniveers also among the forces who are a part of the parade. So how do you match and how do they match with you?
See, as per in context of Agniveer, they are equally trained as the other soldiers are. So there is no difference between any Agniveer or any regular soldiers. They march equally, and even they are young soldiers. In times they march better than the other soldiers.
So we see when the parade starts in the morning, now the weather has opened up a bit. When it starts, there are certain slogans you raise to pep up the contingent, the marching soldiers. Can you please raise one such slogan for us and for our viewers? Any one of you, if you can.
Yeah, for my contingent, it is Bolo Hindustan Ki Jai.
Can you please say it the way you say in the morning?
I can do that, but I don't have people to second me in that. So you want me to shout it out?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Bharat, can you second me? All right. Bolo Hindustan Ki Jai! Yeah, so that is how we do it in the morning.
Bolo Hindustan Ki Jai, and that's how the spirit, the bravery, the valor comes out when these army soldiers and officers march for the Republic Day, and every heart of every Indian will be filled with pride when you see them marching on Kartavya Path. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Pradeep Gupta for India Today from Delhi.